Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this Gangster Skull Clown Makeup look. This look is inspired by the gangster style clowns or jesters, and I always love a good skull look. So I thought it would be fun to combine the two to create this look. To start out this look, I start to sketch out where I want everything to go, and I start with sort of the forehead bone type look. And then I go around the eyes to make the skull shape. Go in on the cheekbones to make the lower part of the skull shape. Then using the Morphe Picasso palette, I go in with the black to darken these lines. Next, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be using the colors Love Letter and Venetian Red. For the shadows on the forehead, I'm adding in the color and adding a little bit of the black to kind of make a shadow to show where the depth of the bone would be. Then I use the black eyeshadow again around the eye sockets. And then I go in with the pink color again. Next, I use the Mehron Black Face Paint, and with this I create the sort of Joker style clown eye makeup. I use a very thin brush with just a little bit of the paint on it, and then I sketch out the area where I want the design to go. Then once I have the shape I'm looking for, I will fill it in with the same black face paint. Then for the waterline area, I did use a little bit of the black eyeshadow because I find that when you use paint too close to the eyes, it starts to water and can ruin your makeup. Once I have the black shape that I wanted, I added a little bit of the pink to the outer part of the eyelid and blended it in with the black, and then added a little bit of white to the inner corners. Next, I'm going in and sketching out where I want the nose to go. I kind of went with a skull nose, but left the very tip of it kind of in a round shape to sort of look like a clown nose. And I used the pink eyeshadow for the nose as well. Then adding a few little dots to the Joker style eye look. Then I went back in and sketched out the skull again to make it fit better with the eye makeup that I had. And started filling in the back part of the skull portion so that it would look like it was shadowed. The farther back on the face, the more shadow there should be, and it should get lighter as it comes towards the front, towards the lips. Here I'm using the Mehron White Face Paint to paint on the teeth for the skull. First going in with the shape and then filling them in later. I'm taking some of the pink color eyeshadow and putting it in between the teeth. This will make it look sort of like there are gums in between the teeth and also start to create some depth to them. Here I'm extending the shape of the tooth to go upwards and downwards to create more of a gum type look. And sort of blending that out to make it look like it's being attached to my face. Now going in with a little bit of the kind of brownish pink color to create more depth to where the teeth are. And eventually I do sort of go around the outside of the teeth with the black face paint. Now I'm going over the teeth again with some white eyeshadow, just trying to make them pop out a little bit more from the gums and erase any mistakes that was made with the eyeshadow. And that completes our Gangster Skull Clown makeup look. I really love the sort of jester gangster style clowns, and I always love skulls, so I thought it would be nice to combine the two and sort of this monochrome black, white, and pink makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys again soon.